Hello, this is for CSE-341, week 6, talking about user validation and error handling. So let's start by creating a user, not changing anything. You execute it. You need to have a password that's at least 7 characters and email that's valid. Right, here we go. Password, many letters, a couple numbers in there. And then email needs to be email format. Execute that, and that works. That ends it. And the same thing works for films. So we'll go create a film, try it out, execute. The length needs to be an integer, so change the length to an integer. Execute. And there it goes, it works. And then if we take the update a film, just put an ID that's not an actual ID, and execute it, we get a 400 error saying, oh, we get the length must be an integer. Like that, an integer. Execute it. Must use a valid film ID, and the same thing works for the user as well. Do the same thing with the user and delete as well.